Would you like to make this one of your most successful years in life? Well, how to do? Sister Joy here. I want to talk to you today about the power of goal setting. If you want more success in your life this year, you must first define your goals clearly and vividly. Write them down. For writing is a powerful tool for helping you to crystallize your goals and bring them to life. Next, you must ask yourself 6 questions about your goal. Who, what, when, where, how, and why are these goals important? Who is this goal for? Is it for me? Is it for one of my loved ones? Or is it for the community or the world? What is the goal? What is it that I want to bring into reality? Name it. You have to claim it. When? Now, when am I going to get this goal done? Is it today or tomorrow, next week, next year, 5 years from now? All goals must have a deadline so you can measure them. Put your date down that you expect to complete your goal and give yourself some benchmarks to work toward. Where do I need to be to get this goal completed? Maybe I can do it in my home. I've got everything I need here. Or maybe I need to go off to college to get that degree that I've got. Or maybe I need to get up and go to the library every day. How on earth am I going to get this goal done? How? Maybe I need to learn a new skill. Or maybe I need to sit down every night and read a book until I learn how to do it. Or maybe I need to go to a store and look at all the different items that pertain to what I'm trying to do. And why? Why is this goal so important to me? Why do I want it? If you can name your why you really want this goal, it will help you in times of discouragement to keep you going in the direction until you achieve it. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. These are the 6 horsemen that you must ride to bring your goals into visibility. Next Wednesday, I'm going to share another secret on the power of goal setting. It's called the magic of thinking big. Believe me, it's going to be some powerful information that will help you achieve your goals this year. Don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video and found it to be of some value to you, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Or better yet, become a subscriber. Well, this is Sister Joy signing off now. But may the rest of your life be the best of your life. I'll see you next Wednesday, good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Until then, toodaloo.